Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about AirPods, but not the normal AirPods or the AirPods Pro. We're talking about the over-the-air AirPods. Yes, Apple is planning to release the over-the-air AirPods in 2020. So we have a leak here from 9to5Mac. Within iOS 14, they have found icons which show the over-the-air AirPods that are coming in 2020. And as you can see right here on my left side, this is the report from 9to5Mac. Of course, it will be linked right down below in the description of the video. You can see a light mode and a dark mode icon right here which show the over-the-air AirPods. So these are the two icons that have been discovered by 9to5Mac within iOS 14 that show the upcoming over-the-air AirPods. Now, this is not totally new. Now, the over-the-air headphones by Apple have been basically rumored to come out a few years ago. In 2018, they had been rumored that they will be released by Ming-Chi Kuo, who is a very trusted source when it comes to Apple products and Apple stuff, but they have been delayed and have not been released. So according to 9to5Mac and a report from Ming-Chi Kuo, they will be released in 2020. So you can expect, based on these icons, they will basically have quite a simple minimalistic design, of course Apple style, and I basically expect them to look maybe kind of similar to Beats. Of course, you know, Beats are owned by Apple, so they might look quite similar to Beats, as you can see them right here. So of course they will have the Pro features. I really believe Apple will have all the Pro features, the AirPods Pro features on the over-the-air AirPods, like the noise cancellation, the feature that actually pauses and plays music whenever you put them in your ear and you basically remove them from your ear, and all those Pro features should be part of the new over-the-air AirPods by Apple. So according to Ming-Chi Kuo, they will be released in 2020, so you can expect them to be released. I expect them to be released probably at the same time as the iPhone 12. So basically this is confirmed. Basically taking a look at this code, you can see that Apple is planning new over-the-air AirPods for 2020. It's pretty exciting. You know that the Apple AirPods have been a huge hit, especially the Pros. They are sold out everywhere, and on holiday time it was really struggle trying to find them because people were buying these like crazy. So I believe this also, the over-the-air AirPods, will be quite a huge hit, of course, if they are not that expensive. I expect Apple probably to price them around 400 or even 500 bucks, and hopefully they will be released this year. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Over-the-air AirPods are coming in 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Don't forget to check out the 9to5Mac article right down below in the description of the video, and I'll see you on the next one.